Welcome to today's video on how to use the law of attraction to find your soulmate. The desire for a deep and meaningful connection with a romantic partner is universal. The law of attraction can be a powerful tool in attracting and manifesting the soulmate you've been longing for. In this video, we will explore practical strategies and mindset shifts that will help you align your energy, beliefs, and actions to attract and manifest a loving and fulfilling romantic relationship. Understand the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states that like attracts like. It suggests that we attract into our lives what we focus on and believe in. When it comes to finding your soulmate, the law of attraction can assist you in attracting a partner who aligns with your desires, values, and intentions. Clarify your ideal partner. To manifest your soulmate, it is essential to have clarity about the qualities, values, and characteristics you seek in a partner. Take some time to reflect on what you truly desire in a romantic relationship. Write down the attributes and qualities you are looking for in your soulmate. By getting clear about your ideal partner, you create a powerful intention and focus your energy on attracting someone who resonates with those qualities. Cultivate self-love and self-worth. Before you can attract your soulmate, it is crucial to cultivate self-love and develop a strong sense of self-worth. Believe that you are deserving of a loving and fulfilling relationship. Embrace your unique qualities and celebrate your strengths. Engage in self-care practices that nurture your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. When you radiate self-love and self-worth, you become a magnet for a partner who recognizes and appreciates your value. Visualize and feel the relationship. Visualization is a powerful technique to manifest your soulmate. Create a clear mental image of the kind of relationship you desire. Imagine yourself engaging in activities with your partner, experiencing deep love, connection, and joy together. Visualize the emotions you would feel in this relationship, such as happiness, fulfillment, and security. Allow yourself to truly experience these emotions as if the relationship is already a reality. By consistently visualizing and feeling the relationship, you align your energy with the frequency of love and attract it into your life. Release limiting beliefs and let go of the past. Let go of any limiting beliefs or negative experiences from past relationships that may be holding you back. Release any fear, resentment, or skepticism that may be blocking you from attracting your soulmate. Replace these limiting beliefs with positive affirmations and beliefs that support your ability to find true love. Affirmations such as, "I am ready to receive and attract my soulmate," or "I deserve a loving and fulfilling relationship," can help shift your mindset and open yourself up to new possibilities. Trust in divine timing. While it is important to actively align your energy and take inspired action, it is also crucial to trust in divine timing. Have faith that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your soulmate into your life at the perfect time. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should and that the right person will appear when the time is right. Avoid becoming impatient or desperate, as these feelings can create resistance. Instead, focus on enjoying your journey, nurturing yourself, and being open to the possibilities that come your way. Take inspired action. While the law of attraction involves aligning your energy and beliefs, it also requires taking inspired action. Put yourself in situations where you have the opportunity to meet new people and expand your social circle. Engage in activities and hobbies that you enjoy and that align with your interests and values. Be open to new experiences and connections. By taking inspired action, you increase your chances of meeting your soulmate. Attend social events, join clubs or groups, and participate in community activities that align with your passions and interests. These settings provide opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals who may share similar values and aspirations. Be present and mindful. To attract your soulmate, it is essential to be present and mindful in your daily life. Pay attention to the present moment and the people you encounter. Practice active listening and engage in meaningful conversations. Show genuine interest in others and be open to getting to know them on a deeper level. By being present and mindful, you create space for authentic connections to unfold. Release attachment and surrender. While it's important to have a clear intention and desire to manifest your soulmate, it's equally important to release attachment to the outcome and surrender to the process. Trust that the universe knows what is best for you and has your highest good in mind. Avoid becoming desperate or needy, as these emotions create resistance and may repel potential partners. Instead, Focus on enjoying the present moment, cultivating self-love, and allowing the natural flow of love to come into your life. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can enhance the manifestation of your soulmate. Express gratitude for the love and relationships you currently have in your life, whether they are romantic or not. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life and raises your vibrational energy. By appreciating the love that already exists, you open yourself up to receiving even more love in the form of your soulmate. Trust your intuition. Your intuition is a valuable tool in finding your soulmate. Listen to your inner voice and trust your instincts when it comes to potential partners. Pay attention to how you feel when you're around someone. Do they bring you joy, peace, and a sense of alignment? Trust your intuition to guide you towards those who are in resonance with your soul's desires. Your intuition can lead you to your soulmate and help you recognize when you've found them. Be authentic and vulnerable. Authenticity and vulnerability are key in attracting and connecting with your soulmate. Be true to yourself and let your authentic self shine. Avoid putting up a facade or pretending to be someone you're not in order to impress others. Embrace your imperfections and share your vulnerabilities with those you trust. When you show up as your authentic self, you attract a partner who loves and accepts you for who you truly are. Believe in love and trust the process. Believe in the power of love and trust the process of manifestation. Have faith that love is available to you and that your soulmate is out there waiting to meet you. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor and that the law of attraction is at work. Maintain a positive mindset and stay committed to your intentions. Remember, love is a beautiful journey, and by using the law of attraction, you can align your energy with the love you desire and manifest your soulmate into your life. Using the law of attraction to find your soulmate is about aligning your energy, beliefs, and actions with the love and connection you desire. By clarifying your ideal partner, cultivating self-love, practicing mindfulness, taking inspired action, and trusting the process, you can attract and manifest a loving and fulfilling romantic relationship. Remember, you deserve a soulmate who loves and cherishes you, and the universe is ready to support you in finding that special someone. Trust in the power of the law of attraction, believe in love, and open yourself up to the beautiful possibilities that await you on your journey to finding your soulmate.